Hey, do you want to switch over to a car oil pan on your 5.3 Chevy truck engine and still use the factory truck windage tray for whatever reason? This is how you do that. As you can see, the factory tray is still there. I've just cut it off. Not that you need to run this. Obviously the cars do fine, but it's just kind of personal preference. Let's cut it off in front of this first set of holes here, or the second set of holes, I guess. And remember, these trays say rear, so obviously you want to cut off the front section there. And then the LS1 F-body oil pan fits right over it. All right, another thing that you may have to do here, well, you will have to do if you're using the F-body pickup tube. The corner hits the windage tray, so I drilled a hole there and kind of reshaped the hole to fit in there like it's supposed to. All right? Okay. Have at it.